I lead the manufacturing solutions team. We have a number of scientists and engineers working on providing manufacturing solutions for our customers, and I'm pretty humbled to be able to lead that team. Well, manufacturing solutions is really a number of things, and it's really defined by the customer. It can be a customer who has an idea and wants to see if they can produce a product and then scale it up. It can be a customer who has identified their raw materials and actually even made some of the product, maybe even qualify it, but want to see if it can scale up to more of a commercial volume. And it can also be customers who today produce a certain product and their success has outgrown their production capabilities, and they want to scale that up or have a second facility available to them. Manufacturing solutions, it's really a whole gamut of providing a solution to a customer who has an idea or a product and wants to be able to make sure they can commercialize it.